Oh, zinja zami sekhahlamba. Diski Parliament, my people. Our people. Awu siyanamukela bafethu, siyanamukela bafethu. Ningamangali ngibona lenye episode lamajita agqoke impahla letiwane kanti sola kajinja kagezi afika impahla letiwane kwenakalayo. Ingabe siyabe just busy kakhulu. Decided nje ukuthi this Friday we want to make sure that we record as many episodes as we can for our people and we will post them over the course of next week. So bafethu siyabonga kakhulu for tuning in. If you are a returning subscriber, siya appreciate kakhulu isupport yakho bafethu. And if you are new today with Diski Parliament bafethu, we talk about anything and everything Diski related. Ngicela nje ifavor le1 before we continue with this video. Before I ask the favor, let me introduce Sibali. My speaker, our speaker in the Diski Parliament, our second speaker. We have two speakers in the parliament, myself and obviously Sibali. Come on, Sibali.
Nah, kufana Sibali.
Akufana into.
Kufana tawuhambe kulunga.
Ngani tawuhambe kulunga Sibali.
Mawuthi zinja zakho sekhahlamba ngikhumbula sikhuva. So dotshela ne fans ukuthi sisasenani njengoba washo sikhuva. Zinja zami sekhahlamba ngisasenani.
Sibali labantu sisasenapha. Izinja zethu zikhahlamba vele. So sijabula kakhulu for le support labeta yona. Zinja zami sekhahlamba njengoba sibalasho ukuthi sisasenani namanje. Bengicela nje ukuthi ngicele ifavor le1 bafethu. Just a simple favor. To you le favor lena ngabukeka kuyinto lencane because it's just a click of a button. But for iDiski Parliament, it's something huge. Siyakhona ukuthi sidevelope ngayo le small favor lesitoyicela. Siyakhona ukuthi sidevelope sibuye site la sitompresentela letindzaba leti lesitanipresentela tona. Sishare nalezi sikwatiyo ngebhola. Yabo. Bengicela nje bafethu ukuthi please like the video. Please share it with your friends if you can. Subscribe to our channel bafethu. Lokho kuyasinceda ukuthi sikhule, kuyasinceda ukuthi sibe ne-reach nje lekhulu la South Africa sikhone kwenda lento lesithandzako, which is to talk about anything and everything Diski related. Tindzaba Sibali namhla Chiefs. Ngijabulile nje futhi ukuthi ugcoke nalesigqoko seChiefs.
Bafana bokuthula ngoqobo.
Bafana bekuthula ngoqobo.
Love and peace bafowethu, love and peace.
Love and peace.
Good.
Ngiyabona ngiyakhamisa lapha. Yeah. Inge-Chiefs Sibali. Lana nginemibuto nje. Nakhona not imibuto nje ngifuna sixoxisane kabanti. Ngoba iChiefs Sibali this season is going to be competing kuma competition like 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're going to be playing obviously the league. They are going to be playing the Confederation Cup. They are going to be playing all domestic cups like high. Ngifaka domestic na like high in the same sentence. Hey. But
uyafana. Khathalekile Sibali, uyafana.
Yasasathe tofudzisa isingisi la. Yeah, Sibali. With that said, ngworried Sibali ngeChiefs because iChiefs didn't make a lot of signings.
Yeah.
And I'm worried about the squad depth. Guti, are they going to be able to compete for all these 5 competitions and like compete for real, not just to be there, compete with that with what's currently going on, because angiboni ngathi bana enough depth.
My coach is to Inolala in
Shut up. It's a studio.
my coach is 8 because when it comes to Chiefs, I try to kubona tinto from angle yabo. Ngabona tinto ngeliso lawo nkumoni. Because I complain my coaches labe now, my coaches ashite Chiefs has a lot of players. We have a lot of players pushing including Nabo Chris Led Baba introduced towards the end of the season as konanga nje kubona ukuthi okay ngubani nabani lasilethele yini. Of the 8 players benzi baphelela a contract. I was hoping ukuthi bonke bangabatetela bahambe. Yabona bafise lokube njani but fisa nje ukuthi they should make room njengoba nanyalo banikete Puma i contract. The guy has been with Kaizer Chiefs for how many years? 8 years, if I'm not mistaken.
It's coming from development.
Yeah, over Kaizer Chiefs for that long. When the one of the still mistake, goalkeeper, like the basic of football. You're not willing to grow as a footballer. You're not willing to grow as a goalkeeper. Then I don't understand why bafuna kumgcina umuntu onjalo. Bonke labantu benza baphelela i-contract. I'm glad ukuthi naSerino bamyekelile wahamba. Good lasiniketa yona. The 8 lebenza iphelela ama-contract. Ngoba bashithi bafowethu asinifiseli lokubi. Go and try another team, but nyalo we're just going to try and bring new players. Sibona ukuthi Tino tende kanjani because last season Tino kahambi ngendlela yethu. But then again, good Chiefs when it comes to signing players. Sonke siyade ukuthi my teams and that Tino be difficult. Now Stellenbosch besifuna 15 million for who's this guy Pete?
Well, yeah, like
I don't think he's worth that amount, and Logotu we are willing to give a player level back. He was one of their star players to pre, and about there's an additional player or Egypt then I disclose. But it's not a player number and 5 players if ever we want to. But overall we have a lot of players, and there's a part of me that want to be confident coach law. Mangibukela nje football la idlalako ngibona njani ukuthi maybe if ever we had to give him a chance ngibona nakhuluma na Vilakazi it's your time to shine this season, so I'm willing to give labafana a chance babona ukuthi badlala njani yalo. Do I think we need to sign players? Yeah, we do need to strengthen the squad, but if my team are going to be difficult, actually easy for Chiefs to sign a player. We can blame the management, but it's not simple. The ambassador player lelingeko na star ngaba sitshela ukuthi bafuna 20 million. Udawubuya up 20 million.
Why do you think is that? Like, why do you think Chiefs is always denied players every time Chiefs mafuna ukuthenga player bakhuphula price? And with my second question, because ngifuna kwabuta O2 so that we'll answer the shame. With the new coach that you are confident with and Vilakazi, I'm sure
not full is but a part of me. Not fully
confident. And also njengoba seka assurile ukuthi Vilakazi will get a lot of game time. Vilakazi is a good player. He deserves it. He will deliver. There's also another player. Mdo Shabalala, who's also good. Is he going to consider him? And Vilakazi simbonile last season bamfaka update ngushilo namshana in one of the episodes ukuthi Vilakazi baphoka umdlalo sabo ma 12 minutes baphoka umdlalo sabo ma 2 minutes. Do we think this time around batomniketa full time play? You can answer these questions anyhow you see fit. You can start with the first one. You can start with the second one.
Okay, the first one, I think it Chiefs na the reputation of what's in a mali. It Chiefs ya padala, it Chiefs it'll keep imali. We are the glamour boys after all. So yonke team when we come knocking, ikupuli price, thinking was the case that Chiefs don't really keep it mali. I think that's one of the reasons why Bafuna goes charge and mali was charge. Your second question. Akathalekile ukuthi Vilakazi udlala 12 minutes mntu udlala 15 minutes. Are we willing to play football? Because labafana if they want to play football and sifuna kudlala le haram football lebenze sidlala the past season, it won't make any difference. That's why there's a part of me le confident lo coach lo, because ubuka ngathi is the kind of coach la ufuna kubeka ibhola phansi adlala ibhola. Angezidlala ibhola ukuthi ngathi sidlala ibhola emthufunyeni ukuthi siyakhahlela hamba ukora lepo siyayibona lephambili ukuthi uphuma njani. If stofuna kudlala ibhola mntu uyakhombisa ukuthi he has the quality, but then again angesithi umuntu une potential for 3 or 5 years. We should give them this season. They need to prove themselves. Babek Chiefs was castless season, so sicela ukuthi Chiefs ibeke ibhola phansi badlala ibhola. Even if singeke si nokuyibukela ngisho noma idliwa ngingabe upset ukuthi idliwe, ngibe upset with the kind of football we are playing. Akube i-football ene-direction, kube i-football e-progressive, i-football ukuthi siya phambili, football ukuthi sizama iplan manje le plan ingahlangana, hayi football ukuthi sidawubona ukuthi siphuma njani.
Kwendakalani niyobona phambili
asifuni le football
ngibona ngathi uyahleka ngathi nje kukhona comment lokho ufuna kuyibeka or ngathi nembuto kuleli sikhulu bakho
Funza ngiyavumelana nesiqephe nathi nje hlekiswa ile haram football uzo admit ukuthi kusebadlala haram football
uthi lokho uya-admit ukuthi kudlala haram
bengihleze ngi-admit but i-problem ukuthi uma ngi-admit ngifuna ukungicindzetela so ngibese angivumi
lapho kusuke kungilama session at debater namuhla we are not in the spirit of debating. Okay, another thing that I wanted to ask you, since ivele wena ukhosi, this is the best question for you. There's been debates around social media, tinkundleni zokuxhumana everywhere about the number 10 jersey. Sereno is out. The number 10 jersey is up for grabs. And there are people who were putting Mayo up there. That Mayo deserves it. Mayo must get the number 10 jersey.
There's no one.
What are your thoughts?
There's no one in that Kaizer Chiefs squad that deserves the number 10 jersey.
You believe that?
There's no one who deserves. Nalendo you like sianiga. Ibonakala gathi as a team we are willing to accept ukuthi ma player noma anga perform, they'll be rewarded. Akabeko lo 10. Akabeko kuthiwe whosoever that's going to perform. Whosoever that is going to be the main man in the team will be given the number 10. Simnigalan Mayo. Yibi reason isiniga Mayo because Cape Town benzadlala khona wakora Algeria wafika hlulela last season
ukuthi usana ukudefenda kahle
singayi nalapho but one thing about Mayo last season akakasiniki anything. So akadeserve kuba number 10. So if everybody will nigga Mayo number 10, they must give us the reason as to why Babone Mayo is deserving of the number 10 jersey. According to me, it's Albegwe. See, I tell of football player, Bangasa, would know, but Ben better last season. Good, la deserve the number 10 la. The number 10 is Tambega. No man just sing for up until this figure June. Small wasn't ban la perform and then some negated as a reward. Still combines the team. We're willing to give my rewards to perform. I would munda better than some nigga contract extension. Munda better than some nigga the number 10. Because if anyone can come to Chiefs, I feel I told the contract that give it extended. So
I told you just number 10. Bamba sibale. Sivala nje bengifuna nje sivale ngelo yokugcina la na something lengifuna kuva your thoughts. Paseka Mako, injured in Spain, back home match. What do you make of that? How is that going to affect the team going forward? Just because we are chasing time now, Justin Jengubambe mi bono yako.
From a human perception, because it's gonna go wonking mundo na Mako mundo. I wish him a speedy recovery. Abe grand mfowethu abuya dokona kudlala ahamba athola imali ayondla umndeni wakhe, but from a football perception angimfuni mina Mako Chiefs. And Mako i-opposition iyamadi ukuthi uyabhetha ubobuka ma team if ever kunamako ku starting lineup bavele bathi okay our point of attack kungala kumako umuntu osagijima manje mfish art but umbona ukuthi solo akafikile. There's a part of me lefisa ngathi ngoba nje bashite Mako bengishite futhi simbuyisele kubomakhelwane bethu sithi abafowethu benizama siyabonga. Siyabonga. Last season for me ukhombise kuba indlela yokungena ngala. So I don't see any difference that abakhona ukuthi Mako akekho but ngiyamfisela ukuthi I recover fast abuye abe right now. So maybe Chiefs ngimthengisa after the season because angibona sinceda in anything. So kungabe khona kwakhe kuyafana nje.
Kuyafana ukuthi ukhona bukhona bakhe yafana ukuthi no ngiyakubamba in as much as I do not necessarily agree with you 100%. Today we are not in debate, still fully debating ngase ukucala. So bafethu, stay tuned for the next episode la siyobe sibamba khona ama debate la ekhaya parliament. Very interesting sinjalo nje. Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu ngokusijoina namuhla. Si appreciate kakhulu for watching up this far. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you wish, if you like, and we will really appreciate that, hit that notification bell so that you never miss an upload. This is Diski Parliament Buffet. We talk about anything and everything Diski related. Danke zinja zami.